What's up, guys? So, this video is all about how you can give a cinematic look in your artwork. Alright, suppose you have a photo. Alright, how you can put some cinematic effect. Cinematic effect in the sense it's based on the weather first. What kind of weather you want. Alright, so first it can based on the weather, then it can based on the tones of the color. All right, so what you have to understand, uh, what kind of edit you want. Suppose I want uh, some cloudy, uh, some foggy effect. All right, so how I am gonna edit. All right, so let's start. First of all, you have to just rasterize the layer first, and then go to adjustment layer. All right, where is the adjustment? Go to Windows, the adjustment. All right. First of all, I will control the brightness contrast. All right. If you want to enhance this particular area, you can take a brush, uh, raise it by third bracket close, not like that. Take a soft brush. All right, less the opacity, increase the size. Can you see? All right, so yes, I just once you put any kind of adjustment layer, so it turn into a layer mask, so you can adjust through your brush. Fine. So the next I will balance the level, decrease the green, increase the blue, because what I want some gloomy effect, right? So based on that, I will go to the channel blue. Okay, that's it. If you want to decrease the green, come to the green. Don't decrease something too much that hits your eye directly. All right, now it's all about the exposure setup. Increase the offset. Look, already you are getting the effects, if I'm not wrong. Fine. If you want, again take a brush, smaller it. Okay, that's it. Fine. Now I want some cloud. Go to Google Chrome. Definitely it will take time. So here we are. Go to um, fog PNG images. Alright, so we need a PNG fog. Save image as, save, right click, show in a folder, drag and drop. Okay, so right click, rasterize the layer. At first take them below all the adjustment layer and see, and hold this one, blend it with a different tone. Okay. Screening is fine. Okay. Hmm. What we can add? We can add some sun rays. I will take a new layer. I will take a color and brush. Decrease is fine. Now it's all about this. Thus, I'm experimenting. If it looks good, we will use it or we will not. It's not look that bad. Or it's look bad. Yeah, let's not do chirkhanis with it. Okay. Now we can see what was the image. Can you see that, guys? Control J. Look, another. It's look like the early in the morning, right? Look, I didn't like did any kind of technical things. I just copied everything. Okay. Now all is blending mode magic. You want to see? Look, you can change the different modes. Look, so it's up to you. But I think this is look superb. Right? This look great. Really, this look great. This will be the composition. Not this. This is the best composition. Exactly. Look, now I will show you the difference between all this. Control J. Convert to a smart object. Okay. Rasterize the layer. Now see the difference between this one and the previous one. Look, two different mode. Entire two different mode. Right? So if I cut it down from here, look. Oh, it's a damn trippy, man. It's a damn trippy place. It entire creates entire mood entirely. If you create some um sorry, if you create some gloomy so sorry. If there was a gloomy kind of a background music, and some water effects, and the entire atmosphere will be, so gothic, right? So I hope you understand with the different methods and tones, right? So in the same manner, you can create a different stuffs, like you can make this in a different color tone, mm, जैसे कि okay, I'm using one filter. No, no, not the black and white. The photo filter. Yes, orange with bit mixture of red. Okay, now I want this effect to be affected in my midground and background, not in my foreground. So sorry. So what I will do again, I will layer mask it. Okay, now again come to the windows and the adjustment, the exposure and the offset. I love this offset effect. Okay, then control the vibrance. This is too saturated. I just don't want them to get highly saturated. Okay, so another composition. Control J, right click, convert to smart object, rasterize the layer, will turn off. Now like this, this, then the ultimate this. Can you see the original one, the another one, the another one? Look, three different kind of modes are horrific, man. Photoshop is like you can do anything in Photoshop. And based on this software, whatever software you will run in future in advanced level, this base concept will be everywhere. Like same adjustment, same color balance, same hue, saturation, mode change, everywhere. Fine. So please explore the Photoshop better than me. Okay, and yes, give me a class. All right. So always I appreciate your hard works, and yes, the dedication you are giving to this era, obviously that will shine up my child. All right. So thanks for running this great session. If you have any question, please ask me. I'm ready to answer. And yes, it can be a great session. Fine. So I want to just divide it with three different parts that you can understand. Control D.